Curb appeal can really help sell your property. Here are some budget-friendly ideas on how to boost your curb appeal.
I'm Dan Ganader, a real estate agent with Weichert Realtors. Real estate can be confusing, but I can assist you. So let's chat for a few minutes about Orlando real estate.
Update your outdoor lighting. You'd be amazed of how you can really change the look of your home just with some simple light fixtures. If you're familiar with electrical work, it's an easy enough thing to do. Refresh your front door with a new coat of paint. A bold front door color can really make your home pop and stand out. Update your exterior hardware, like your door knockers, doorbell, and house numbers. Add potted plants, flowers, or window boxes. That really just makes your home feel welcoming. And you want to make sure that prospective home buyers feel welcomed in their potential new home. Clean up your landscaping. Trim any overgrown plants or bushes. Also mow and edge your lawn. Make it look really well manicured. Wash the exterior of your home. You want to make sure that you don't have any dust or dirt on the windows, siding, anything like that. You can use a regular hose or a pressure washer can really be helpful. And while you're cleaning outside, make sure to clean the windows. Having nice, clean, shiny windows does make your property appealing. And while you're out there painting the front door, maybe use some of that paint for the garage doors as well. Again, maybe just use a bold color that really makes everything pop and your home will stand out. Clean or update your outdoor furniture. Outdoor furniture can get weathered pretty quickly, so it can look very unattractive if someone's walking up to, the home for the first time and they see just like some really messed up, dirty furniture. It's going to make them think like, ooh, what's going on here? And then they're going to be worried about what are they going to find inside the home. Add small accents, like maybe a welcome sign on the door or a clean doormat. Things like that. You just want to have a really welcoming, friendly feel when someone is going up to see the property for the first time. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them in the comments section below, or feel free to call, text me, email me, whatever works best for you. All my contact information is in the description below. If you got any value from this video, please like and comment. It really does help the channel, and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching.